shoulder rotation. Yes. This is how once again you keep, and some people do arm rotation like this. It has to come closer to the body. Let's watch Yukta. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 10 each. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. And Yukta, the hand should be placed. So please watch like this. 1. See, you can see how close it is moving. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. So one thing is how to actually, if you're not getting this, is keep your hands here. Watch. One going up, one coming down. That's how you get it. I've seen many people struggle with the same exercise, but instead of attempting here, bring it closer, watch them, watch one going up, one going down. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. How much? 10, 10 each, 2 sets of 10 each. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Which I want you to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.